This is a product demonstration of Lansweeper's Logic app for Microsoft Sentinel. Lansweeper is the industry leader in device discovery, providing agentless, credential-free, and credential-based device recognition, identification, and asset management across all connected IT, OT, and IoT. In this demonstration, we will create a Logic app that uses Lansweeper's custom connector for fetching and storing asset details in Azure Sentinel. There are 3 templates. The first is the Azure Sentinel connection. The second is the Lansweeper API connection, and the third is the Logic app template. Let us begin with importing the Azure Sentinel connection template. The Azure Sentinel connection is required to capture the incident triggered in the Logic app. Let us first search for Deploy a custom template. Now click on Build your own template in the editor. Click on Load File. Now select the Azure Sentinel connection template and edit the template screen. First update the tenant ID of your account. Now update the subscription of your account. Now click on Save. Select the resource group in which you want to import the Azure Sentinel connection. Click on the Review button. After a successful validation, click on the Create button. After a successful deployment, click on Go to Resource. Here the status is Error, so now click on Edit API Connection. Now click on Authorize. Now authenticate your Azure account with your credentials. Click on Save. Go to the Overview. The status is now connected. So now we shall import the Lansweeper API connection template. The Lansweeper API connection is required to connect the Lansweeper API with the Logic app. Let us start by again going to deploy a custom template. Click on Build your own template. Click on Load File. Now select Lansweeper API connection template and edit the template screen. Update the subscription ID of your account. Update the resource group of your account. Click on Save. Select the resource group in which you want to import the Lansweeper API connection. Click on the Review button. After successful validation, click on the Create button. After successful deployment, click on Go to Resource. The status is Error. Now click on Edit API Connection. You need to provide an authorization API key token which you have received from Lansweeper. Once you've provided this and it's successful, click on Overview. Now the status is connected and we are ready to import the Logic app template. So go again to the Deploy a custom template script. Click on Build your template in the editor. Click on Load File. Now select the Logic app template. In the Edit Template screen, first update the subscription ID of your account. Now update the resource group with your account. Now click on Save. Select the resource group in which you want to import the Logic app template. Click on the Review button. Once the validation is successful, click on Create. And after successful deployment, click on Go to Resource. Now go to the Logic App Designer. Confirm the incident connection is the Azure Sentinel connection and the Lansweeper API connection, and the connector is successful. The import and setup of the Logic app is now complete. Thank you for watching.